How to develop leadership and human resource management skills in business. In today's fast-paced business world, effective leadership and human resource management (HRM) skills are essential for success. Leaders who can effectively manage their teams and resources are equipped to navigate challenges and achieve their goals. In this article, we will explore some ways to develop leadership and human resource management skills in business. Equipped to navigate challenges and achieve their goals. In this article, we will explore some ways to develop leadership and human resource management skills in business. Attend leadership training programs. Attending leadership training programs can help develop essential leadership and HRM skills. These programs can cover a range of topics, including communication, team building, conflict resolution, Performance management. Performance management. Leadership training programs can be found through professional associations, universities, and executive education programs. They can also be attended online through webinars and e-learning platforms. Read leadership and HRM literature. Reading leadership and HRM literature can provide valuable insights into best practices and strategies for effective leadership in HRM. This can include books, articles, and white papers written by experts in the field. Experts in the field. Reading leadership and HRM literature can also help leaders stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in the field. This can help them remain competitive and adapt to changing business environments. Seek mentorship and coaching. Mentorship and coaching can be invaluable for developing leadership and HRM skills. They provide opportunities for leaders to learn from experienced professionals and receive feedback on their performance. Mentorship and coaching can be found through professional associations, business networks, and executive coaching programs. Leaders can also seek out informal mentorship relationships with colleagues or industry experts. Practice self-reflection. Self-reflection is an important practice for developing leadership and HRM skills. It involves examining one's own strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Leaders can practice self-reflection by setting aside time to reflect on their performance, seeking feedback from colleagues and employees, and developing action plans for improvement. This can help them identify areas where they need to improve and develop strategies for addressing those areas. Identify areas where they need to improve and develop strategies for addressing those areas.